Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. So, it's been several years since I subscribed to Simon Says Stamps kits, but last month I absolutely fell in love at first sight when I saw the July kit. Unfortunately, it was supposed to ship by the 30th and it didn't ship till last week, and I just got it the other day. And the unfortunate thing is I didn't get it in time to share with you before it sold out, because it did sell out, both the kit and the one-off. But I wanted to still show you the kit because it is gorgeous, and there are times when they have released the kit items separately. So if you enjoy what you see, keep an eye out, because they may bring it back in stock, and you'll be able to pick it up. So, all right, so let's get to it. In fact, it's got here so late that they already announced and started selling the August kit. So, all right, so their kit includes their nice zipper bag, and then everything comes in this little brown bag, including the things that I just dropped on the floor. And on my floor, oh, there it is. I was going to say, things bounce, and half the time I can't find them. All right, so this kit is called, let me move this through the window. And let me show you just how pretty this is. Look at how gorgeous this is. Kathy Zelsky made a video you may or may not have watched. So it comes with this sheet of idea sheet, and then this one came with 3 sheets of cardstock: banana, peacock, and ivory. So let's put those aside. Put that aside. Their kits always come with a little candy. Got a $5 coupon. All right, so I'm going to show you the kit contents, and then I ended up buying an add-on for it, which I'll show you at the end. So the kit came with a little distress ink. This is walnut stain, and this is not the one it was supposed to come with. It was supposed to come with scorched timber, which I don't have, and I have a lot of these. So I have emailed them and asked them if it was a mistake, because the scorched timber is still in stock. So I'm not sure how I got this one. But it comes little ink, mini ink distress, little strips, foam strips, and then their Positively Perfect craft glue, which I have not tried before. So I'm anxious to try this one, because I just got the Pink Fresh one in an event kit. So I'm going to test them and see which one is better than the other, or maybe they're exactly the same. The kit also comes with these little gold stars. All right, so the nitty-gritty is this. Is this not gorgeous? Well, I suppose you have to see if you can see it. I suppose you have to like scenery, so you may not think it's gorgeous, but I did. So we've got the window, and then we've got to fit all of these. This is trees and clouds, mountain scenery, tropical scenery, downtown, and then this is like a French cafe scene. Then we've got some vines, a dragonfly, happy birthday, wish you were here, thinking of you, let's get away. It also comes with a window trio so that you can have different windows. It also came with acetate for your window. And then this dual purpose stencil, which I don't know that you can see very well, but it's clouds and then rolling hills and then water. So the thing I think that makes this kit even extra special is these sceneries. And none of them are repeat. Look at how pretty those are. Rainy scenes, winter scenes, spring, summer. Look at how pretty that is. This one's got 4 different scenes on that side. I can't remember. Let me see, I think it says here. La La Land Crafts in the City paper. So this is from La La Land. And I think whoever created this is just super smart in their choices. And then this is the final one. So let me show you. All right, before we do that. So the add-on that I got has a separate window with shutters, and it has all of the words from the stamp set and the branch, the birds, and the dragonfly. So I couldn't say no. All right, so let's take out one of these windows. We're not gonna have the time to make a card, but I want to show you in case these come up for sale. Before I make a video making a scene. Let's take this one. I love this one with the rounded top. I'm telling you, they're glue sticks. But we're gonna have to transfer this to a magnetic sheet. All right, so let's take some of these so that you can see. So one sheet you can do a lot with, depending on where you want to what you want looking out your window at. Let's find, look. Look at how fun that is. It'll make such a pretty card, but an easy one too. Let me find one of those pink ones that I liked. And you don't have to go in the bottom. You can go up the top. You can go anywhere there that you want. This one is gorgeous. Look at that. You can go to the bottom. Or you can look out like a penthouse view and see the skyline. So pretty. All right. And these, I think this small window would be good on here. I'm gonna tear this apart. We wait and see. Yep. Boy, I don't know what kind of glue they use. Or glue tape. All right. Look at how pretty that is. Let's put it down. We can go up here. So much you can do with this. All right, so those are the different papers. And then we've got the stars to add. But you know, you can use any kind of, you know, background. And that's just using these papers. If you use these, then you've got, I mean, they fit perfectly to use the stamp. Let's do the tropical scene. You can use a blended background. Let's turn this over. So I'm excited to use it. And then you can make it into a shaker card if you wanted to also. So anyways, so that's it. I am sorry, like I said, that it didn't come in time before they sold out. But you know, I'm sure they said something about that they had some staffing issues or something. I think they're very small, and they do have family that maybe work there. I always think of them as being a very huge company, but I guess they're not. It's because they have so many products. So anyway, so that is it. I just wanted to share that with you. Keep a lookout if you're interested. If it comes in individual pieces. I did cancel my subscription because the August one that they just showed, they released, is teacups, and I've never been a fan. So My girlfriend collects all things coffee and tea, so that's right up her alley. But not so me. So I look forward to the September release, and if it's as good as this one, then I might pick that one up too. So, all right. So I wanted to point out that these are the frames, and they do cut the window open that we just saw. And then this is the actual window in this kit, I think. Or is it the window? No, I think it's the window here. Okay. It's the window here that they stamped. So, all right, so that's it for this time. Thanks for stopping by. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed yet and you'd like to, you can hit that subscribe button, and then if you hit the bell, it will send you notifications when there's a new video to watch. The thumbs up is the like button, and if you like a video, please, no matter who it's from, hit that thumbs up, because it lets YouTube know that you enjoyed the video and they will promote it, which is really important for small channels. So that's it. Oh, share button. Sharing is caring. So, all right. So that's it for this time. If you have any questions, comments, let me know. Let me know in comments if you are a subscriber and you got your kit. Or if you did pick this one up, either as the kit subscription or the one-off. I think the one-off was like $5 more if you're not subscribed. So, I mean, that's not really too bad. But the people that were subscribers before, I'm sure got theirs a lot earlier than I got mine. So, all right, so that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. And have a good weekend. Bye-bye.